Hey everyone, in today's video, we are going to understand how routers can automatically assign IP addresses to all the connected devices using something called DHCP. This is a simple network setup. We have router, a switch, and a few PCs and laptops connected through a switch. We are going to configure the router as a DHCP server so it can assign IPs to all devices automatically. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Instead of manually giving each device an IP addresses, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS, the router does it for us instantly. Here's how we configure the DHCP settings on the router. First, we go into the router CLI and assign IP addresses to its interfaces. Here I'm giving 192.160.1.1 to interface fast standard 0 by 0. This IP acts as a default gateway for the LAN. No shutdown is important, it turns the interface on. Next, I'm creating a DSCP pool. I've named it LAN 1. In this pool, we define the network range. Here I've sent to 192.160.1.0, which gives us 254 possible IPs to distribute. Now I set the default router to 192.160.1.1. This is an IP of our router that the clients will use as their gateway to communicate outside the LAN. I also added a DNS server which is of 8.8.1, 8.8.8.8, which is Google's DNS. I'm excluding the first 10 IPs from the pool using the command IP DHCP excluded address, which is this. This avoids conflicts with manually assigned IPs. Once I connect a PC to the switch and a switch to the router, I go to the PC's desktop or laptop's desktop IP configuration and select DHCP. Boom! It gets an IP like 192.160.1.111 automatically. So that's how router assigns IP silently using DHCP. What's happening in the background is the PC sends a DHCP discover message. The router replies with a DHCP's offer. Then the PC sends a request and a router gives back an acknowledgement. This whole handshake is how device get their IPs. So that's how router dynamically gives IP addresses in our network using DHCP. No manual setup, no IP conflicts. If you want to try this setup in Packet Tracer and get confused anywhere, feel free to comment below. I'll help you out. Thank you.